Alright buddies, I'm gonna have to clean my bike's chain. I'll just directly lube on bike's chain, spray this one on the rusted part. It's 5:30 and still pretty hot and sunny outside. Anyways, who cares? Who cares? Alright, the first thing first. Gotta check it well before I use. There must be some kind of instruction written right on the bottle. And some other parts like here and probably here, or I'll just spray on this part. This will help clean all the this part as well. I should take care of these things, almost every week, which I'm not doing, and it's really bad. Letting the rust cover your bike is really not a good thing. Dirt is allowed to cover my bike, but not the rust. Find any more rust here and there. There. Oh, there you go. You're being very bad boy. Struggle. Even this brush is struggling. What do you want, Dodo? I've got no food now. You gotta wait till 7:30. It'll take some time, I don't have much of patience. Yeah, it's coming off. You wanna see a stupid lady? Look at the way she's behaving. I don't understand what you're saying. What? No, you mind your own business. I'll do that. Don't worry. They're not eating anything. They're simply lying down there. Feed them. I'll feed them outside. You don't tell me what to do or not to do. I'm not feeding you. Now it's time to lube the chain. I'm not cleaning this chain, not using the cleaner, because if I do that, it will make a lot of noise. It will be very loose, Probably I'm gonna take it for a wash today. Before that, let me take it for a spin. Oh shit. Today I'm gonna take this side. Like it ends here. Nice. Shit. Damn. Is it still running? Ah, yes. Sorry about that. Let's see when it gets fixed. Today I'm not gonna lose control. That day, it just literally, you know, caused my bike a damage. So I'm not gonna let that happen again. I wanna pull it hard, but I cannot do this, you know, because of that dust. And I'm not wearing any helmet right now, which I'm supposed to wear actually. Desi off-roader. You know, I've been planning to speak in Hindi. I've been planning to make videos in Hindi because my mother told me you're not getting enough views because of English. You're not speaking English, you're not speaking in Hindi or Bengali, because I'm a Bengali guy. I speak Bengali, that's my mother tongue. And also I'm not speaking in Hindi so that everybody in my country can understand. But English, because of English, perhaps you're not getting enough views. Once you start making videos in Hindi or Bengali, trust me, you will get plenty of videos, you know, plenty of views. That's what my mother said to me. Let's go to that place where I always go. Let me check if my camera is still rolling. Woo! know what? I was about to fall, but somehow I just managed to get the grip. Ah, fuck. Let me take you to a new place, a very good place. I just forgot how I'm supposed to go there. Probably this way. Let me see once. Ah, this is the way. Sexy. All right, boys and girls, people out there, all the lovely people out there, hope you all are having a good time. And look at me, I'm also having a good time. That's a kingfisher, but in different color. I've never seen this type of kingfisher before. Anyways, it's pretty windy here and very calm. Basically this whole area is for farming, but for me it's just for trail riding. Recently I've just got I just searched over Google whether KLX 300 will be launched to India or not. So Google was saying probably in July, and this is June. When I talked to the Kawasaki guy from where I've purchased this one, they said if that person, I mean the seller, the Kawasaki showroom guy, if he says that there is a news coming out soon that Kawasaki is about to launch KLX 230, then probably it's a genuine news. I don't know. I have a friend who has a plan to buy Honda CRF 300L, and Honda has also launched CRF 300L. When this bike will be available in India, I have no idea. So he's gonna buy that, and that bike is 300cc bike and mine is 230, and we both have a plan to ride together, go for a trail riding, but I need something, I need a bike either. I mean, I too need a bike that has 300cc of displacement. Look at that. That's rain. It's raining right over there. And I was spending time here. It's been really a good time, I have spent. You clearly can see it's falling right from the cloud.